What shall we do today?
I don't know.
All we're doing is just sitting in the shade of a tree.
Yeah. And all we have is this cool jewelry piece off my necklace that broke.
Maybe there was a chance that we can see a new magical event.
Yeah, just like yesterday maybe?
Yeah, just like yesterday. So all we have to do is just wait for the windmill to spin. What shall we do today?
I don't know.
All we're doing is just...
That was fast. Well, everyone, we better get going.
Really?
Come on, everyone, let's go.
Humpty. Oopsie. Forgot my very script. Up in the place. Yay!
Wee! Wee!
Come on, guys. Oops, forgot my jewelry. Doo-doo-doo.
Alright, when we hear something in the distance, we dare to it. Let's listen for a sound. Come on, Tinky Winky.
Okay, I think I hear something. You going to go?
An airplane? Oh, I hear it.
Come on. Be so sure.
Alright, this looks like the place. I don't see any...
Hey, look up there. I see airplanes.
I see ships.
You're upside down, Tinky Winky.
Blump. Great Brookhaven. It's true. There's airplanes in the... I see ships. Blump. Great Brookhaven. It's true. There's airplanes in the sky. It's a new magical event. Let's watch. Watch.
Alright, let's watch the show. Alright, let's watch the... Well, it's over now.
Yeah. And you know what? What? We had a good rest.
Yeah. I feel energized.
I feel
Me too.
like sleeping. Tinky Winky.
Silly Tinky Winky.
Well, he's right. I am a bit sleepy.
Yeah, me too.
Why don't we stay right here where, we can lay on this dead branch?
I'll sleep on top of it.
And I'll sleep over here. Oh, fell almost. Dunk. This is actually pretty much like if we slept in our, like if we had our own beds right now.
Yeah, this branch is pretty comfy.
Yeah, too bad it's not our house, our beds.
Yeah.